yola hino balie anala bambang ka wirikiti ka bambang ka tuanyama e badinglu anal badi malam e Mr. Tenkabo aka I'm the only romantic man in my village. Ladies and gentlemen, binna telephone am binga kaba ko jimi alnoko avec Gambia banku kam fanne kan tumala menna de sar al bagala video to loi mi alnoko abota sign His Excellency Menketa Adama Barrow president right now in Gambia ayni luata ayadundi ama hani wati jampang si falo wo luani mfan la doku la milian noko be doku la banko dinule be doku la government ne kodo ngajele sa yo luata iboita a break la albo video ga janne at na danno damban fan nako take be nala ko be video fan ngila ensa fal inshallah kuma kan milian noko dunta kolya kol kono milian noko yila mul fajam komanto Menketa yaya jamanoti ndesane anata kuma fanda fana jama bala aka kudul fanta ke senandi hankabi mbadimulu ni video de woto janni ka fo mina video bejibe la woto ni ata itamari mo nyumem balde in this platform here do all your effort and subscribe in this channel. Don't forget, it's your boy Tenkabo aka I'm the only romantic man in my very village. Search or Google. Oviva ngata ay ngani video jibe sign I'm going back.
So who are you waiting for him to enter?
I don't know. The order we have, let us not allow anybody to get inside. That's the order we got here.
But man, I have a right to bring anybody. This is a journalist. I invited the journalists for them to cover the injustice that is happening. So why would you stop them? Why would you stop them? I don't understand. Why would you stop the journalists?
Okay, can I see your boss? Wait. Ibrahima, get me. Wait.
No, okay, now. Go and call your SI now.
There you go.
Don't push him. Don't push him. Don't push him. Just push him. He's a journalist.
Now, go and call your SI now. Okay, call SI.
They're harassing him. Just keep doing your job. That's your professor. Do your job. Do your job. Don't stop. Do your job. Do your job. Keep doing your job. Keep doing your job. Keep doing it. It's your job. Keep doing it. Boja, you have no right to stop him. Do not even try. Don't stop him. Leave him alone. Leave him alone, please. Don't. He have every right. Approved by the National to take any record.
What you are doing?
What you are doing is not illegal. So why are you scared of being recorded? Why? Are you doing anything illegal?
You are not allowed to enter inside.
Who says so?
They say, but
They called this man to talk to you.
They say who?
They are given the power by it's on the law. The law is being approved by the National Assembly.
By the National Assembly.
You are just here to enforce. So if you're here to enforce the power that has been given to me and you are abusing it, I don't see no reason why the people should even obey when the people in uniform are disobeying.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Don't make this difficult.
Get inside.
Boy, because I have the right from the National Assembly. There's a bill that has been approved.
I don't disagree, but the order I got, you are not allowed to enter.
Right to information is a bill. Right to information is a bill.
Say away. Please move. Please.
Okay, wait.
Go out. No. Go and fix it outside, please. Well, we will help you. Come.
No.
You are getting closer. Please come.
This is a private property. You are taking my camera.
We understand, please.
Leave. If you spoil this camera, you are going to pay for it.
Ungo, gentlemen.
Cinema.
Listen to me.
No. This is a private property.
Ungo.
I have an international law that is defending me. I have a law that is defending me. I have the right to be here. I have the right to film this. Don't. What are you doing? You are spoiling my work. No. But you are spoiling my work.
Listen to me.
Okay.
You are also interrupting our work.
No. I have the right to be. I'm the right to any I'm just here to cover everything. Okay.
Listen to us.
Not a word. They say I don't have the right to be. But they say I don't have the right to be. So allow me to do my job. No. Go and ask your cinnamon. He didn't say I should stop. He said I should go out. I now go out. But he said I should go out. I'm now out. Allow me to do my job. Just please.
I will.
So you are blocking my... You can see one of their officers is blocking my view. phone and film it, please.
Don't do that. Hey, no, leave him alone. You have a right to do that. Don't do that. Stop him. Don't do that. Stop it. This is a journalist. I said, he's taking us on video. Let him fall. Boy.
Seriously?
Let him fall. One boy. You arresting my properties?
Yes. One boy. Like joke.
You think people are here?
Okay, good.
My friend, this is cost $350,000. Be careful with it.
This is expensive. Take it easy, sir.
Good. You see, mbele nyaa nyingi nyola manke kuti mian ko e kunu kundemu e mfalla e doku lalu miral nako o paral lo miltibam o police de fam miltibam I don't know. So therefore foni nyantale bang because and then first of all rodum di na loi bu kodo e nyin sabatin di gele kay sainten generally solde is accept bila sainten drum pro e dum ila doko e yantina doko kala nyame with kulo anim fama jiola so nin kuma milaro nyama so foni police wala para fani rights to the bank ka bulolo e camera nyati la pro kana taroke wala fani dum abelara fannal bank abe doko men na bank abelara fannal bank abe ni alhalomento bank wala fabelara fannal bank comme ko sainten membe kering because muna kindan akalo e funding kew nyato akalo aka bulo ka ala camera nyato ayo sembo bonde muntole ana ayo loi bonde muntole ana bampurin e muna koma woto nyanta tan la e paran la ko albe kusifa dolla alo bondi ni mantari alla maral buko kono andun sayin e lual mi anda ko e falentale e sembo din tamadi gawlale ye dum ira do ko e yanda akala nyami wote ite mo right soto kaytan comme ko e be uniform le kono e mo sembo soto e ke bulola mo la camera nyatino la so where is justice in this country? So you don't have any right to block him because abula ayala doko ke e man right soto ni ba block la because munamu why he's a journalist and he have all the right puruka ala doko ke anyanta ka kenyame en tant que amambulela amam kuke me an nekona atanata journalist ul fanam nal bidakan stop aggressive alakara you just have patience you discipline yourself with humble yeta ila doko ke with peacefully with kairo kono anyim tenkun anim fama je kono o fanan anyanta bakele al fanan kanaji comme ko ha jan say sembori nal sain whatever si dunno nga naku kanyen nul ke ron abe kulenne so al fanan zala kokunni anyim fama je ngin tamalla akumata wo nyamale al kana wanku comme ko ha am a journalist so I can do anything I feel like to do no so alo fanan bonda la system kono nyemenke am right ma fo ngin do kede but mbo fanam fuka al fanel dron al fanan so kaf bake alla kulul ma nal bidakam pour kata kulta al sita with humble and peacefully kaytan comme ko dron alla hakol alla nyantolum pour eta ay nyim filoto ka gemota anyinta kaminta akumata bakele so nyim paray menke wala nyim police menke is on don b is on don sama molenta luwa tinyala atali narang ali luwa tandila nan man dualong because mo jamabe informo kono they don't even know what is the law wala kin de katal tama ke pour qu'il fedro because they don't know their law e man fakolo la loi to e be tama kan don comme kontan banko dunati wala informo le kanal nene dron be informo ko dron just like abe kulimne sunku dun be bloko lale ka fa para filanti a kido shekay kenen da alon ka albe tama kan loi le kodo alla banko dun al kaneti as a slave albedo ko la nyille fanam balu jokan so wala ko takama al nyanta ke tension bake akumata bakele o vivan so makoy e next video to bang mo fananta nga afali bang saiten amudunale back again and safal second video please stay tuned, don't go. Everybody can be a soldier. Don't see me like this tomorrow, you can see me in uniform. We don't know. So I'm an ex-soldier before. I know.
Who cares to know? You can check. But that's not why I am here. I am here to talk about the victims of this country. The victims who have suffered greatly in the hands of a terrible dictatorship. For me, this is deeply personal. Why is it so personal? It's because I have sat with quite a number of them in hours of interview, digesting all the terrible things that have happened to them. I have sat there hours on end, hearing horrible stories, that were meted out to our brothers and sisters, our mothers, uncles, aunties, fathers and brothers and sons. One of the biggest atrocities that is happening to our people is this Mile 2 prison. It's in a terrible state of dilapidation. Being incarcerated in that place is a human rights violation. To force an individual in the name of punishment to sleep in a stinking toilet is a crime. We're not talking about all the terrible things that happened to the guy. I was ashamed to talk about the number of Gambian men I'm ashamed to talk about it. A lot of our men are walking up and down the street, hiding under the shame of impotency. Castration was a method of punishment and a method of torture. I refused to mention the numbers because I did not want people to walk around the street pointing at each other that he may be another one. It will cause a lot of shame and embarrassment to a lot of people in the community. I refuse to talk about the things that happen in this country are not only shameful, they are dirty. It is the responsibility of every single Gambian to do everything possible to ensure justice for these victims. If we don't do that, we'll be failing in our responsibility to them. And any individual who participates in enforcing or reinforcing the impunity that we now face is betraying the aspirations of the Gambian people. I had made a personal commitment to make the issue of the victims of our 22 years of dictatorship a central cause in my campaign. In fact, this is one of the principal reasons why I am running for president, because I have no confidence, zero confidence, that the report of the TRRC would see the light of day under this government. They have told us that because they have gone to bed with the party of the perpetrator. And in their presence, the bed partner is telling them that this report is going into the dustbin. And the partner sits there nodding and cheering. So, in law, that is acquiescence, or even worse, an accomplice. We say no to that. We say no to impunity. We say no to injustice. We say no to reconciliation without justice. We say that the perpetrators must face justice. But you know, I thank God for international law. You see, when I delivered that address, that impromptu closing address at the TRRC, I said that if this government does not act, Ghana would act. If Ghana doesn't act, West Africa would act. If West Africa doesn't act, Africa would act. If Africa doesn't act, the United Nations would act. If the United Nations doesn't act, then the ICC would act. And the train has left the station. There is nothing they can do about it. Absolutely nothing. You know why? The crimes that happened in this country are crimes that shock the human conscience. And the whole civilized world have converged together in Rome in 1998 to craft an international treaty that would bring about an end to violations, gross violations of human rights that amount to crimes against humanity. And indeed, what happened in this country were crimes against humanity. They cannot do anything about it. That's why I was not surprised when the United Nations Working Group on Human Rights the other day made a declaration that what happened in Gambia amounts to crimes against humanity and the perpetrators must face international justice. I think that vindicated us. On the day I delivered my closing remarks, the ICC prosecutor was watching. The incoming ICC prosecutor then was watching live. And immediately afterwards, he tweeted that he agreed with us that the perpetrators must face justice. And indeed, the outgoing prosecutor as well, in a turnaround, gave a statement accepting that the violations can now go to ICC. I ask you to take courage. I ask you to take courage. In the wheels of international justice may turn very slowly, but turn they would, and indeed gradually they would gather speed and momentum. And in a government led by SFL, be rest assured that the perpetrators will face justice, be it in this country or elsewhere. If we want to maslaha the truth as to refuse to bring them to justice, well, the notion of maslaha does not exist in international criminal law. Others would implement it for us, and they will face justice. We have seen Hussein Habre. He was a fugitive of international justice for a while, but he could hide no longer. We have seen former heads of state dragged to trial. I led the prosecution of one of Africa's then strongest presidents, the president of the Sudan. He too is today in custody. So we have to take courage. We have to allow for the wheels to turn. But trust me on this one. If the current government fails the Gambian people in its responsibility to do what is right by the people, the Gambian people have the responsibility to hold them accountable for that. They have shown us that they are not interested in implementing any TRRC report. They show us that they are not interested in prosecuting Jammeh. In fact, they want to reward him. They want to reward him. Reward him with what? The status of elder statesman. Reward him with what? A return of all his properties. Reward him with what? Property stolen from us, which we have recovered, is now being restored to him. That's what we have had. The truth of which I cannot verify. But if that is to happen, that is the greatest betrayal of the Gambian people. And I do not mince my word when I say that. That would be the greatest betrayal of the Gambian people. We fought so hard. We fought so hard to oust the dictatorship. We fought so hard to establish the truth. For me, at very high personal risks, I have suffered a lot of threats in what I was doing. I didn't flinch. I did not budge. Now we know the truth about what has happened. Now we are at the cusp of getting justice. They want to deprive us of that justice at the altar of political expediency. We say, no, we refuse, it will not happen. You will pay the price. For come December 4, we will remove you all from power. Because the Gambian people want peace. And there cannot be peace if we do not have justice and reconciliation. They're doing it in the name of reconciliation. They're forgetting that, in fact, the Jola people are the worst affected group in this country. They have been the most victimized ethnic group in this country. So when we stand for the victims, we also stand for the Jolas, who've been so badly brutalized by the terrible dictatorship that we had. I pledge that in a government that I am involved in, I will stand shoulder to shoulder with you. to ensure that there is justice. This is not a call against any particular individual. It is a call for the reinforcement of certain principles that enhance our civilization as a people. Thank you very much.
Jang na fandato still now bala fabe moli medialon ko ya jamel sanyi mwanni fula kardantan kono meldunda toroni yangan kato kono odo han sayin hino boli because bodol biye ya jamiyul fale wolle mari la kordala andum bi gambe bi taka nyamin bi akata kolya kan ba watu wade mul kala fole few yobe serli sayin ite muyanno ka marlin suti no marlin kordala nyite o kannatay wala yo fa ala mul nyaato muso na la fano yangono sudono jeba wolbe kolya kono wato watinde e tonya collaboration kula me annako is fine man ni kolya man sala kono ko e la fama kuya jongo ye kula na man ki jankaroti so nin kula min kumo me annako asahayata bar koku nin fanan ananyalam anasilolum you understand ngaja ko mata bake kul kono ninga samba nyama you understand so kombe wati kono wato men ko politique wato abeka jamala nyini but ensa fal black limbi left ka je senandi again ensa fal la manda bantale TRRC ay sanji sabale sign sanji sabo bantale sign amantari again TRRC abelori no kom ko te belori nyamin say hani moy koku nin soto arta fa garno kom ko ha mbita kay tamandi kan just like TRRC no TRRC la manda bantale dunya be nyaaje woto say ali jenke kartandana alo bulaye firi say abe positionamento nin ayatare rogomentu raji Adama Barrow la doku wala tuda je sa ni Adama Barrow yo kayto shika aya nombu aya fay dosino kono sa amago wala ko isa falbe protocol kono o kamfa kamma amanganta minki amoke fo yaya jamme tagirentu yan minki bankun kan sanji monni fulaka molla nyantul ta ke kurja ka molla dinglu ta kefa ka molla falta kefa o yaya jamme hankabi nyite man tusta man do lato fo ya jamme bagasul menta yesis alke murundima amanna dang alni ku jama bakacha alni APRC tima bare bi amallon de barabe lon na nyaato de because mel sainta katum tengalon ne ko jama be kono je wum APRC la febolati because APRC na to sonna inale birote tabil to tabilu ale fen sign mentetel febola wote kala because B atelle be fulale la banal be fulani APRC la al nyanta fulala APRC le telum kono anin tonya kono ngaya ko mato nyale anako bum ibagela mota ko ma felenola ibagela kudo mo man ko abe kumala bake ko kono de bar ni man ko samba anin silola one day will come ikafutu kan nuka hamna I think you miss asylum you don't see jom sa fa ya dem abita asylum la mo mi la life kono but bi abenta be asylum la so bi melbe wuru kenoma one day will come so ibe bole la bulu banko kanne ibe bole la wulu sado kanne you go and seek asylums so melbe lori ko mayle afen to mi tata ita join parti do fana kan ko teke so jamu 40 balti al sal hakilo de bakatel be maradola because B ya jamme ay tajiren tuyal men be ka mulla fewul table ka mulu fa ka mulu soron ka kobe ke mulula so ni ensa faltara TRRC ay kobe tandi hani mo kilimman so soroke ne amanke APRC ko le so soroke wolle ko ensa falmantilin ba namanke APRC ko NPP sonta APRC ensa falmale UDP sonta ensa falmale PDOIS sonta ensa falmale banko be sonta ensa falma fo APRC wodo say ningaje APRC kolu adam baro fana bolle gini ngam pour ani be kunga la ran kilun kan nyame anding amanta anin silo me ala no kabe kulling fo kunna kun kilun hajol lamo ka kulta ke daba jani nyokono butun kombe tloy kol moyle wodo ni koy bo kelo samba ensa fal kunna kilun kan mo wuli wulol be laare melal nako wol dunta problème wol de kono torol ni yanga ka dol ni batalu kono ale molu jibe an kolyan min bilarin e fonnin kol kam musukun la ko ke kunda al mulbe jibi muso mi an nako ke kana men ngentalo la korda kono bi muso blo la kam bi imo jibi ko ensa fale lo political party kono yo kayto be fara ime mi rafanan ko do men dun tanyin ko kunna e ko ensa fale lo kam lo president aginu la ibo kayto be fara la le prute o dum dos ne kono e dem tin ke kunna kinula hajola al simira ala bijede ala bijela kumata bakele so nginon na kumodin simen suran kamen fayno because kokuli namel du kuntin abe lo anyar lale so therefore al shadon ko abe kokuli abe wanyar lale be on keda sawo keda al be yaje mi la property sendi kam yaje mi la property ta indi ndel be la property le mo ite fa tabi jede nde tabi jede do han tabi jede so yaje mi boyta mul kan kam la fonta ki tagonta sembo kam ka luata kada da ka fan sansa kono ka mul la ko kuke min mo de kuno die so bi nala bo feŋol tala al be sende yama al be ya tala kan al be ko be kam bari ngalal be men parandi kan bari wallahi mambalande al kaf ñom al ko be ke problème diji bari ya jamme suñu banku kan jang ya jamme suñu banku kan jam bolla dimul ma han jara folo mo la dimul han mi tay man kende folo ala ya jamme natani banku kan thank you
Sapakara sarakabar sabarakarai
you come cry
sarakap whatever
Emioji, raka kamuna po.
I learned to say subscribe. Okay, thank you.
Kula yere jisma min fo.